What's up, gangsters? This is the latest Technic concrete mixer truck, and I have added the Control Plus power function to the side, and I'm going to see, can I use this as my cereal dispenser? I've got some cereal here, and I'm going to load it into the concrete drum, and that should all go in. And what my plan is that I get some cereal in here. Let's just make sure it's down the bottom of the drum. In you pop, and we are going to get our bowl. Drop down our chute, so we angle it there. And what I've done on my phone is I've got the control app, and I've just added a really simple revolution of the motor. You can see that I've got it at a speed of 10, and we are going to, let's try this, and we're going to click play and see what happens. So it is starting to turn, not very fast. Let's stop that. Let's put in possibly a... So what I think we possibly need to do is obviously change the reverse direction of the drum. So you just drag this down. Let's get this to, let's say, about 30. Let's give that a go. And what we're hoping for is for some cereal to slowly appear. So there we go. Hey. So if you want a £90 cereal dispenser plus another 70 quid for the Control Plus motor, so for £160, there you go. Perfect.